Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your PlayStation 5 game controller to your Sony TV with Google TV. And this is very easy to do. So I'm going to go to the home screen on my Sony TV, then scroll on over to the right to the settings right here, and then scroll on down. And we want to go to remote accessories right here. Select this. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then go to pair accessory. And it's going to start searching for something to pair to. So on your PlayStation controller, you want to press and hold down the sharing broadcast button and then the PlayStation button at the same time. Hold both these buttons down at the same time, and the light bar should begin to blink. And that's an indication that your controller is in the Bluetooth pairing mode. And it should take like 20 to 30 seconds. It may not be immediate that your TV recognizes your controller, but just let it pair, and maybe after like 30 seconds, and it could be longer, maybe like a minute or two, just leave it at the screen. And in the upper right side of the screen, it says DualSense controller. Let's select it with my remote now, and then it should go ahead and pair. So it says pairing right now, and this may take about 10 to 15 seconds right here. Let's select pair. Now we should be connected. See if we can actually move around. So I see stuff clicking and I'm moving around the screen. There is a input delay to this, and some of the buttons aren't mapped exactly like they would be on the PlayStation. X is actually the back button and not O. So I can move around the screen. Then I can go to, if I have any games or applications under here, I can go ahead and play them very easily. Now if you're trying to look for the specific game store, you may want to go ahead and press the input button. Open up the inputs, scroll on over to the right to where it says edit. And then what we want to do is go to the Google Play Store and get the one for games. So let's go to edit. And this is kind of slow and laggy for me. And here it is. Oh. Alright, here it is. Google Play Games right here. Select this. And you can add it to this bar right here. And you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.